So hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video we are going to talk about what is weight gain, what is underweight, and what tips you can use to gain weight in a safe and healthy way. So first let's talk about weight gain. Weight gain is a process in which there is an increase in the body weight of an individual, which involves increase in muscle mass, increase in fat deposits, or increase in fluids like water in the body. But unnecessary weight gain can be a symptom of a serious medical condition. Many people in the world are obese or overweight, but on the other side there are many people also which faces the opposite problem, that they are underweight. Before starting a video, I would like to give you a small information about what is underweight. Underweight basically means that the individual has a BMI less than of 18.5. BMI means body mass index. BMI is a tool which considers your height and your weight and determine whether your weight lies in a healthy weight range or not. There are many problems of being in the underweight category, which includes easily getting fatigued, weakened immune system, weakened muscles, etc. So enough information about underweight. Let's begin the video and start. So the first step is eat more calories. If a person belongs to the underweight category, then he or she can gain weight by following a calorie surplus diet. This means that he or she consume more calories than the daily required calories. If you want to gain weight in a slow and steady way, then you should consume 300 to 500 calories more than the daily required calories. Or if you want to gain weight in a faster way, then you should consume 700 to 1000 calories more than the daily required calories. So the second tip is that eat more but avoid junk food. In the last tip, we talked about that a person should gain weight by consuming more calories than the daily required calories. In this tip, we are going to talk about from where he should get those calories. In a society full of myths, there is another myth which says that if a person has to gain more weight, then he should consume calories no matter from where he get those calories. Pizza chips will help you to gain weight, but will destroy your body at the same time. Does it totally depend upon you that if you want to gain weight or you want to gain unhealthy fat in your body, which brings many problems with it. So the third point is consume high amount of protein. When an individual is in a weight gain phase, then he or she should consume huge amount of protein during this phase. Studies and researchers have shown that when a person eats more protein during the weight gain phase, then more amount of calories from protein get converted into muscle mass. Foods such as chicken, fish, mutton are good sources of high quality protein and are highly filling, which helps the individual to get more protein and thus prevents the individual to consume bad calories. Now you must be worrying that how much protein should I take in. The ideal range lies between 1.76 to 2.2 grams per body weight in kgs or 0.8 grams to 1 gram per body weight in pound. Consuming plenty amount of protein doesn't mean that you consume more protein than the ideal range. So the fourth point is train more but exercise less. When an individual is in a weight gain phase, then he or she should prefer weight training over cardiovascular exercises like running, swimming, etc. Weight training is much important during the weight gain phase as it helps to bring more muscle mass and strength to the individual's body. Weight training should be included 3 times a week. This doesn't mean that the individual should completely avoid all the cardiovascular exercises, and they are essential for maintaining a good heart, health and mind in the body. A person in a weight gain phase can try to restrict the cardiovascular exercises from 15 to 20 minutes to 2 to 3 times in a week. So the fifth point is eat plenty amount of carbs and fats. If an individual is in a weight gain phase, then he or she should include high carb and high fat foods in his or her diet. Protein plays a vital role in the body. It acts as a building block of bones, tissues, skin, hair, etc. But carbs and fats are also important in the body. Carbs are used to produce energy which is required by the body to work, and fats are used to store the energy and also protect the vital organs of the body. So now the question arises from where the individual should consume these good carbs and good fats. Because foods like pizzas, chips are not a good source of good fats and good carbs. Instead, they provide unhealthy fats to the body which ruin your body. A person should take good carbs from sources like vegetables, legumes, beans, fruits like bananas, apples, etc. And he can take healthy fats from sources like tofu, paneer, olive oil, etc. So here is an additional tip for you: don't give up early. Safe weight gain requires patience and determination. It is not always possible that you see the result immediately. Every person is different and have a different metabolic rate, calorie intake, so stay motivated and don't give up. So if you guys are searching for amazing diet plans which will help you to gain weight or lose weight, then you search NZL. I provide a free service in which I make individual diet plans according to their choice of food. If you want a customized diet plan, then DM me at fitfluencer19 or you can email me at fitfluencer19@gmail.com. So if you like the video, click the like button, share your comments in the comment section and subscribe the channel. This is your friend Namaste Deva and thank you so much for watching.